Meanwhile, the Alianza senatorial bets expressed gratitude for the continued support of the Filipino people as several of them emerged as front-runners in the senatorial race, according to a recent survey by Octa Research. PTV's Mela Lismoras has the report.
All senatorial bets of the administration-backed Alianza para sa Bagong Pilipinas made it to the list of top contenders for the 2025 midterm elections based on the latest survey conducted by the Octa Research Group. In their March 2025 Tugon ng Masa pre-election survey, it was revealed that if the elections were held during the survey period, 18 out of 66 candidates would have a statistical chance of winning. 11 of them are from Alianza, including Congressman Erwin Tulfo, former Senator Tito Soto, Senator Bong Revilla, Senator Lito Lapid, former Senator Ping Lacson, Senator Pia Cayetano, Mayor Abby Binay, Congresswoman Camille Villar, former Senator Manny Pacquiao, former DILG Secretary Ben-Hur Abalos, and Senator Francis Tolentino. Tulfo, for his part, expressed deep gratitude for the continued support of the Filipino people. Although he consistently ranks high in surveys, he remains actively engaged in the campaign and will only take a break during Holy Week.
Magnilay muna. Tama na muna yung kampanya because Holy Week ay mahal na araw. Dapat yung isipan natin, actions natin para sa Panginoon Diyos. You pause, di ba? You pray, di ba?
Senator Lapid also thanked our countrymen following his recent visit to Laguna. Meanwhile, other Alianza candidates are also actively going around across the country. Senator Tolentino would voters in Caloocan City. In Cavite, various local chief executives assured their all-out support for Senator Revilla. Senator Cayetano went to San Jose City, Nueva Ecija. In Cebu, Senator Pacquiao got the endorsement of the local officials as well as Congresswoman Villar, for which they both expressed their heartfelt thanks. From PTV Manila, Mela Lismoras, Balitang Pambansa.